Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a shell pearl bracelet. It's simple, elegant, a daily wear and easy to make. So let's get started. So let's see the materials required. Shell pearls, or you can use any beads of your choice. Lobster hook, fuse wire, pliers like cutter, round nose plier and flat nose plier. Let's get started and make our bracelet. The first step is to measure your size. Now next I am readying my beads, hooks and fuse wire. Now you are going to take a fuse wire and cut the end of it. And put in the lobster hook. Now we are going to twist the fuse wire. Use a flat nose plier to twist it. And cut the other end of the fuse wire. Next, put in the pearl. After putting the pearl, twist it again. Cut the excess fuse wire after twisting and secure it with a flat nose plier. Put in a fuse wire again and twist it once more. Cut the other end of the fuse wire. Add a pearl again next. Twist it again. Use round nose plier for support and help. Cut the excess fuse wire. Now repeat these steps till desired length. Add the small jump ring to the loop of the last pearl. And next twist the fuse wire. Cut the excess and press it flat. You know what to use? Yes, flat nose plier. And our beautiful shell pearl bracelet is ready. This bracelet looks simple yet elegant. What do you think about this bracelet? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.